Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I want to share a project that I did with this paper crafting kit from the Paper Studio. I showed this in a Hobby Lobby video. It was it cost $5.99, but I got it for half off, $2.98. Again, from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so this is an insert because I realized I didn't say the name of the paper craft kit. It's called Butterflies Paper Crafting Kit by the Paper Studio. I'll link the video in the description section in the event that you want to see when I pulled it out. But what I think I have here is the backing paper, right? The back of it. So, right, it comes rather with 10 scrapbook papers, 5 designs, 2 of each, a sticker sheet, and it has 3D embellishment stickers, some gemstone stickers, and some alphas. This paper is very, very thin. So, but in this video, I'm going to only share, because I actually did 2 things with this project. I'm going to share one in this video and one in the other one, in another video, because I kind of don't want this video to be so long. So let me show the first thing I made, and I have some more paper because I need to make some pockets, but I made some tags with this butterfly paper crafting kit. I think I'm gonna get a piece of paper so I can put it on white. That makes it pop a little bit better. So here's the first tag. I used one of the scrapbooking papers. I did use some cardstock because this paper is so thin. It's thin like copy paper. Maybe even a little thinner, depending upon what kind of copy paper you have. So I had to use some glitter glue. No, it doesn't have glitter in it. That's just the name of it. It's good glue. It's up there with that reptile glue. But I used it to glue down the paper on the cardstock. And as you see, it's a good adhesion. And then I used the embellishment sticker. I used some gemstones. I did ink. I used some of the stickers here. And I used a Jounaling genie. Of course, the Jounaling genie, the ink, the eyelet, and the lace came from, you know, my stash. But the gems, the paper, the 3D embellishment, and the stickers are part of the kit. So that's one Jounaling tag. Then here's another one. It's so pretty, the colors. I couldn't bring myself to cover this up with any alphas or anything. It's just so pretty. But I did put a 3D embellishment and a couple of gemstones. I used some of the alphas. A sticker. And the Jounaling genie. I used the eyelet and some ribbon. So that's that one. Hold on 1 second. Here is another one. It's pretty plain, but I do have a 3D embellishment sticker on it, which is similar to this, but it's just raised up. I used some of the gemstones, some ribbon, and this ribbon, and the other ribbon I'm about to show all came from, all are part of Stampin' Up. Or from Stampin' Up. Here's one of the stickers. Of course, I use a 3D, the Jounaling genie, an eyelet. I did use a Stampin' Up punch to put this punch design in the bottom. I cut the shape of the tag. I cut the tags out with my template that I made. I made a template, you know, and I used that to cut out the tag shape. And so here's the last tag that I made. I put some gems. Here's a 3D embellishment. some alphas, some ribbon from Stampin' Up. One of the stickers, I used the Journaling Genie to put the lines, inking, and some distress ink. And those are the 4 tags that I made. Let me turn it this way. With this project, I have, like what? I actually have 6 sheets I haven't used, and a lot of paper left over. Let me show you. Look at this. So I didn't use that much paper from the kit. And so this is it. If I find another sheet of paper. Oh, well, I'll put it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. I'm being a stickler. I think it would look nice with a white background. So, let me extend this a little bit. Yeah, that's a little better. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So here are all 4 tags. And they're actually for this journal I'm composing. You see this 3D prism sticker? It's by Sticko. It's so nice. Look at that. And it's a butterfly charm here. So many butterfly things inside here. So yeah, so that's the first project I made with this paper crafting kit. And like I said, it was only $2.98 because it was half off the Paper Studio line. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the next video. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.